Today we're going on a trip to Thailand's ancient capital of Ayutthaya. It's located about an hour north of Bangkok. After a quick stop, we came to Wat Mahathat. Known for its sprawling green walkways, multiple temples, a reclining Buddha, and of course the giant bell-shaped chedi at the center. Take your shoes off and walk on the sun-warmed brick steps up to the top, where you have a panoramic view of Ayutthaya. Go a little further up into the meditative room full of Buddha's relics. It's a popular temple, and of course many visitors come here on a daily basis. However, if you find yourself walking along one of the quieter paths, you'll feel like you've come across a secret garden. Finally, I came to Wat Mahathat. This is a royal temple that housed Buddha's relics. According to royal chronicles, the construction of Wat Mahathat's main pagoda began in 1374, nearly 650 years ago. However, Wat Mahathat simply isn't comprised of only religious structures. It's a plot of land scarred by a catastrophic attack. In 1767, a Burmese attack razed the city, marking the destruction of Ayutthaya and forcing the inhabitants to flee. Of course, visitors from all over the world come to see the charred remains of statues as well as Buddha's face surrounded by the weaving trunk of a banyan tree. Many important royal ceremonies of the Ayutthaya era have been hosted here, as it's the most significant temple in the history of the ancient city. And yet, I can't help but feel unsettled. Walking along the stone paths, you can still see burn marks on the brick sides. The statues sit cross-legged as if they're in a deep, endless meditation, though many of them are charred and missing limbs. The remains of the fallen city stands as a symbol of permanent destruction. Perhaps there's also a symbol of hope here. It's quite amazing that some of these ancient structures were strong enough to withstand not only the fires of the Burmese attack, but the hundreds of years since past. Does this mean there's a symbol for strength hidden in the solitary Buddhas who sit for the rest of time? I guess everyone can make their own opinion on that. Would you like to visit Ayutthaya? Let me know what you think in the comments and make sure to follow me for more travel videos around the world.